The thalamus relays sensory information and acts as a center for pain perception. The temporal lobe lies beneath the temples and help with understanding. Part of the temporal lobe is the auditory cortex, which processes auditory information in humans. The auditory nerve carries auditory sensory information from the cochlea of the ear directly to the brain. The pinna is the visible part of the outer ear. It collects sound and directs it into the outer ear canal. The hammer is a tiny bone that passes vibration from the eardrum to the anvil. The anvil is a tiny bone that passes vibrations from the hammer to the stirrup. The stirrup is a tiny U-shaped bone that passes vibrations from the stirrup to the cochlea. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped, fluid-filled inner ear structure. It is lined with cilia that move when vibrated and cause a nerve impulse to form. The cilia are sensory receptors of both the auditory and vestibular system in the ears of all vertebrates. The eardrum is a thin membrane that vibrates when sound waves reach it. The eustachian tube is a tube that connects the middle ear to the back of the nose. It equalizes the pressure between the middle ear and the air outside. The basilar membrane is a membrane in the cochlea that bears the organ of Corti. The auditory canal are channels that sound waves to the eardrum. The semicircle canals are 3 loops of fluid-filled tubes that are attached to the cochlea in the inner ear. They help us maintain our sense of balance.